Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the select opcode in IBM I, a powerful construct for conditional execution. Let's explore its functionality with a practical example. In this example, we have a loop that iterates from 1 to 6. Depending on the value of k, different operations are performed using the select opcode. Firstly, when k equals 1, we perform summation by adding 20 to k. Here s is set to 20 plus k, resulting in 21. Then, a message summation equals 21 is displayed. Moving on to k equals 2, subtraction is performed by subtracting k from 20. This sets s to 20 minus k, resulting in 18. We display subtraction equals 18. For k equals 3, multiplication is executed by multiplying 20 by k. This sets s to 20 times k, which equals 60. We then display multiplication equals 60. When k is 4 or greater, division is performed. If k equals 4, we divide 20 by k. Here, s is set to 20 divided by k, resulting in 5. We display division equals 5. However, if k equals 5, we attempt division by. In this case, a monitor block catches errors, especially division by 0. Program will display divide by 0 error. We handle the divide by 0 error by setting s to 0 and displaying an error message. Finally, the loop continues until all conditions are met, demonstrating the versatility of the select opcode in IBM I for conditional operations. And there you have it! The select opcode allows precise control over program flow based on conditions defined with when clauses. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on IBM I Select Opcode by Programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. Stay tuned for more tutorials and examples. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. See you next time!